Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kamaluddin Nurul Komar from class 2B Management Business. In this time, I will retell about capital market. Okay, capital market. Capital market is a market which deal in a long-term loan. It comprises to the complex of institute and machines struck with medium term fund and long term. Funds are pulled and made available to individual, business, and government. Capital market supply industry with fixed and working capital and finance medium term and long term borrowing of the central, state, and local government. The capital market deals in ordinary stock, share, and debitors of corporation, bond, and securities of government. Capital markets are primarily created to provide avenues for effective mobilization of idle funds from surplus economic units and change into deficit unit for long-term investment purpose. Over the years, the Nigeria capital market has witnessed increased level of participation both by the private and public investor. The market has equally attracted the attention and the interest of foreign investor. For instance, total listed equity increased from in 1981 to 2.47 in 2016, while market capitalization increased from N5B in 1981 to in 2016. Theoretical literature, efficient market theory. The theory claims the securities price reflect all relevant information. That is, the current market price of a security corporation, all relevant information. If a financial market is efficient, then the best estimate of the true worth of a security is given by its current market price. Conceptual literature. Meaning of capital market. Capital market refers to a collection of financial institutions set up for the granting of medium and long-term loans. It is a market for long-term instruments, which include market for the government securities, market for corporation bond, market for corporation share, and market for market loan. According to any way, the following were the reason for the establishment of capital market: to introduce a code of conduct, check, oppose, and regulate the activities of the operation of the market, to provide local opportunities for borrowing and lending for long-term purpose, to enable the authorities to mobilize long-term capital for economic development of the country. The creation of a built-in operational and allocational efficiency within the financial system to ensure the resources are optimally unleashed at relatively little cost. Problem of the Nigerian capital market. According to Adam and Okoro, the Nigerian capital market, like the national economy, has been faced with many problems. Small size of the capital market. Among the major problem facing the Nigerian capital market is the size of the capital market. 1 billion at the end December 1999. The size of the market can be considered to be small when compared with stock market in other emerging market. Problem of liquidity of the market. The liquidity of the stock market relates to the degree of access which investors have in buying and selling of stock in such a market. The more liquid a stock market is, the more investors will be interested in trading in the market. That's 3. 17 were promulgated to replace the Nigeria Enterprise Promotion Decree of 1984 and Exchange Control Act of 1972. The Nigeria stock market was resistant largely to local investors. Apart from the original investor, foreign companies were already in the market before the introduction decree of 1972. Enough. Thanks for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.